The 1st Marine Logistics Group is a logistics unit of the United States Marine Corps and is headquartered at Marine Corps Base Camp Pendleton, California, with detachments located at Marine Corps Air Station Yuma, Marine Corps Air Station Miramar and the Marine Corps Air Ground Combat Center Twentynine Palms. Subordinate units. The 1st Marine Logistics Group comprises Headquarters Regiment, Combat Logistics Regiment 1, Combat Logistics Regiment 15, 1st Medical Battalion, 1st Dental Battalion, 7th Engineer Support Battalion. History. The current 1st Marine Logistics Group was activated on the 30th of March 1976. The lineage of 1st MLG dates back to the 1st of July 1947 when it was activated as the 1st Combat Service Group, Service Command, Fleet in Marine Force at Pearl Harbor, Hawaii. In the same month, 1st CSG was relocated to Marine Corps Base Camp Pendleton, California. Korean War. In August 1950, 1st CSG was deployed to Kobe, Japan, and was subsequently deployed in September 1950 to Incheon, Korea, assigned to the 1st Marine Division. They participated in the Korean War, fighting at Incheon, Seoul, Chosun Reservoir, the East Central Front, and the Western Front. In August 1951, they were reassigned to the Fleet Marine Force, and in October 1951, reassigned to the 1st Marine Division. In May 1953, they were again reassigned to Fleet Marine Force and relocated to MCB Camp Pendleton, California. On the 1st of March 1957, 1st CSG was redesignated as the 1st Force Service Regiment. Vietnam War. In May 1965, detachments of 1st FSL were sent to Okinawa and Vietnam. In August 1965, Headquarters Battalion, 1st FSL were sent to Vietnam. In February 1967, the 1st Force Service Regiment was deployed to the Republic of Vietnam. On the 15th of February 1967, they were redesignated, assigned as the 1st Force Service Regiment, Force Logistic Command, Fleet Marine Force and assigned to the 3rd Marine Amphibious Force. They participated in the Vietnam War from February 1967 to April 1971, operating from Da Nang, South Vietnam. 1970s. On the 23rd of April 1971, 1st Force Service Regiment FMF was relocated to Camp Pendleton, California. Then on the 30th of April 1976, they were redesignated as 1st Force Service Support Group. 1990s. In the 1990s, 1st Force Service Support Group participated in Operation Desert Shield and Operation Desert Storm from September 1990 to April 1991, and in Operation Restore Hope in Somalia from December 1992 to February 1993. Global War on Terror. The Marines of 1st MLG have been deployed to Iraq in support of Operation Iraqi Freedom on 4 separate occasions thus far. First deployment. The 1st Force Service Support Group deployed to Iraq in early 2003 in response to the continual rejection of UN inspectors. In March 2003, 1st FSSG elements joined the 1st Marine Expeditionary Force in the crossing into Iraq. After approximately 1 month in the fall of Baghdad, the war was declared over. The Marines of 1st FSSG along with the 1st MEF redeployed back into the States over the rest of the summer 2003. Second deployment in January 2004. The first FSSG deployed to Iraq for a second time, for 14 months to various camps in Iraq to include Camp Takadi, Camp Fallujah, Al-Assad Air Base, Camp Habaniya, and, after the Abu Ghraib scandal, they took over guarding the prison as well. The group was involved with Operation Al-Fajr, the operation to retake the city of Fallujah. The artillery that helped bombard the city were stationed in the 1st FSSG HQ area. They returned to Camp Pendleton in early 2006. In October 2005, the group was redesignated as 1st Marine Logistics Group in an effort to make the name reflect the mission. The lower subordinate units were reorganized and some renamed. Third deployment in February 2007. The group returned from the third deployment, having served in several locations, including Camp Fallujah, Camp Al-Taqaddum and Al-Assad Air Base. The deployment was part of 2 7-month assignments, but many Marines stayed for the greater duration of 14 months. Fourth deployment in February 2008, under the command of BGEN Robert R. Ruick, took over for the 2nd Marine Logistics Group at Camp Al-Taqaddum, Iraq, operating in Al-Anbar Province. Awards: Presidential Unit Citation with 2 Bronze Star. Joint Meritorious Unit Citation. Navy Unit Commendation with 3 Bronze Star. Meritorious Unit Commendation with 1 Bronze Star. National Defense Service Medal with 3 Bronze Stars. Korean Service Medal, Armed Forces Expeditionary Medal, Southwest Asia Service Medal, Global War on Terrorism Expeditionary Medal, Korean Presidential Unit Citation, Vietnam Service Medal with 2 Silver Stars and 1 Bronze Star, Vietnam Cross of Gallantry with Palm Streamer.